In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys here exactly how to make an NFT project with a minting page, airdrops, and whitelist, and many more other features with zero code. That is right, this website makes it super convenient so you guys can start your legit NFT project with zero code. And I'm gonna show you guys here exactly step by step on how to do it on the computer. What's awesome too is that it lets you make these projects on blockchains like Ethereum, Avalanche, Solana, Binance, Phantom, and many other chains. We're gonna hop on my computer and we're gonna do this step by step. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is the website. It's called zerocodnft.com, and if you guys want to join, you guys can use my referral code in the pinned comment in the description below. Thank you in advance if you do use it. Now I'm going to walk through here on how to do this step by step. So first thing you guys want to do is click right here on launch app. Also guys, one key detail here is that when you guys click launch app, alright, as you guys can see, I'm already logged in with my Metamask, but you're going to be making an account, okay, with your email and all that stuff, and then you can connect your Metamask and then you're going to be logged in. But you're seeing this because I already made an account, but after you make an account and connect your Metamask, you should be set. And then now this is where you're going to be able to see all your projects. And what you want to do first is go right here to the top right and click right there and connect your wallet from Metamask. It's basically going to know your projects based on your wallet address. So every time you connect your wallet address, it's going to have all your projects right here. So you don't have to worry about losing them. So it's going to be tied to your wallet address. So you just click right here, connect wallet. All right. And then it should be connected right here. Great. So now you want to create your project. And the first thing you guys want to do is click right here, create one. So the first step, as you guys can see, this is super simple. Pick your contract type. So right here, they have the typical ERC 721, which is suitable for the most scenarios. The second one is a Zuki, and this one is suitable when you expect your customers to mint NFTs in small batches, saving them on gas fees. Under certain circumstances, this might increase the transfer gas fee. So this is for a very specific situation when you expect your customers to mint NFTs in small batches. And then they even have Omni-chain, okay, custom order, which allows you to spread out your NFT collection across 7 different blockchains, and it allows the NFTs to be transferred between these chains. So that is awesome that they have that as well. But for this example, I'm just going to use ERC 721, and boom, right here. This is why I love this site, is because there's so many blockchains that you guys can use. You're probably expecting just Ethereum and Polygon, but no, they have Binance, Avalanche, Phantom, and a lot of these chains have such a huge community, especially Avalanche. Kronos is one that's growing as we speak right now. So I love the fact that they have so many options here, as you guys can see, to choose a blockchain. For this example, I'm going to go with Ethereum, but again, you can choose whichever one you guys want. Now we're on step 3. This is the general info. Okay, and right here, the first one is the Ipfs Metadata. If you guys don't know what this is or how to add this, don't worry. You guys can just click right here and it'll take you to their official YouTube channel. And it'll basically explain how to add it, but you don't have to add it right now. It's optional. Everything that has a red star right here, that is something that needs to be added. Again, this is just going to be an example, so I'm just going to put Sir Lewis, all right, which is the name of my channel. Now this is the price per your NFT. So since this is ETH, I'm going to put 0.05. all right. The next step is max NFTs per transaction. So when somebody does one transaction, this is the max NFTs per transaction. And this helps prevent botting to give everyone a fair chance. Next thing we got here is the overall collection size. So how many NFTs does this collection have? I'm going to go with 3,000. Okay. So next thing we got is the token symbol. Okay, so you can put your token symbol right here. I'm just going to put Sir. The next thing here, which is optional, is experimental. Basically, an example is first 500 NFTs to be minted will be free. Minters only pay the gas fees. So if you want to do this for your project, and basically the minters are only going to pay the gas fees, and they're going to get the first 500, 100, 5, 1, whichever amount that you guys want to add, which I think is a really cool feature, and I've never seen it before. And you can market this and say like, hey, first 3 people to mint the NFTs will be free. So that is super cool. Then here we got the max NFTs per person, basically per wallet. I'm just going to do a max of 10 NFTs per wallet, basically. So then you click on next. Now the features right here, which I think are awesome, you can add a delayed review. Okay guys, and this is really cool. A lot of NFT projects actually have this. It basically delays the NFTs, and this can be useful. A lot of people look at the metadata and they try to snipe out the most valuable NFTs. So you can use this to prevent that. And then next thing we got here is something that's very used in all projects, a whitelist. And you can add price per NFT in ETH, max NFTs per person, okay, and you add that on here. For my project, I'm just gonna leave this off. The next feature is revenue splits. So you can actually split this between wallets, multiple wallets. Okay, so instead you can do 50 here, which is really cool, especially if you have a team. Great, so after you're done, you click on next. And now this is the marketplace. Basically, after your NFT project goes mainnet, okay, because what we're doing right now is gonna be a test net. After it goes mainnet, it's gonna be shown on OpenSea, as you guys can see right here. It does this automatically. Okay, and it's gonna save you a lot of time. Or maybe you already created the marketplace collection. You can just click right here. Okay, but if you haven't, you can just click this. Boom, you put your collection name. This is basically all the stuff that you would fill out on OpenSea. You're basically filling it out here. Okay, so like royalties, I'm gonna do like 5 royalties, right? Collection name. This is just saving you so much time. To make this example quick, I'm just gonna click I've already created one. Great, so now it's time to deploy the testnet. As you guys can see right here, it's giving you your contract information. This is basically a summary of your project, so please review it. Take your time and review it, as you guys can see. So right here, attention, you'll be using your own Metamask wallet to pay the deployment fees, and this wallet will thus be the owner of the smart contract. This is only a testnet deployment, meaning you won't be spending real currency, but you should still have test tokens to cover the deployment fees. You will still be able to deploy this contract to a mainnet at a later stage, which I'll show you guys here. If you do want to have the test tokens, you click right here and you can get free test tokens. So what you do is you click right here on the first link, okay, and you're gonna paste your wallet address right over here, and then just click send me ETH. Now it's gonna send you ETH to that testnet. Another very important thing, guys, make sure you go to your settings here on MetaMask. If you're not seeing the testnet, make sure you go to advanced, okay, and right over here, show testnet networks. Make sure you got that on, okay? That's something very important that you could get stuck on. Awesome, so as you guys can see, I had 0 right here in my testnet. Now I got 0.1 ETH. So now we go back and now we want to deploy the contract. We're gonna go right here, waiting for MetaMask. It's about to pop up. And then boom, right over here, this is the fee, which is obviously less than 0.1. Click confirm. Okay, and success. The contract has been deployed, and you can actually view it on the block explorer. It's not going to show up instantly. It's going to take some time to show up. Okay, so now you click OK, and then awesome, you just created your first project. It is on testnet, and here just an update. As you guys can see, I just refreshed it, and boom, right over here, as you guys can see on Etherscan, this is official. So now what you guys want to do is click right here on manage contract. Awesome, so this is where you're going to be able to manage your project basically. Remember, like I said, the airdrops, collection size, mint price, owners, sell status, all that stuff is going to be managed right here. You can even click on advanced, and there's a bunch more advanced things right here. And all I gotta say is that this website is awesome because you're able to manage all this without zero code. A lot of projects out there literally pay developers so much money to make their project by coding it, but you can simply use this website and manage it all without having any code. And the best part, guys, is that you're gonna have your mint page, okay, right over here. What's awesome too is that if you already have a website like Wix, WordPress already set, you can actually make a website like that, and it gives you the embedded code. Okay, it gives you the embedded code to put on the website, which is awesome because you can make your own website and have the embedded code right over here. Just apply it to your website. Super easy to do. Or you can just use this one powered by zero code, as you guys can see right here. You can edit the size. Right over here we got the drop date, the drop time, and if you scroll down, this is what's awesome, guys. You can edit literally everything on here. Look, the background image, icon, Twitter. They're making it so easy for you guys to deploy your projects using this, and it is 100% legit. All right, great. So awesome. You already managed everything here. You already created your mint page. Make sure you take a lot of time on this because you want to make sure to have a good project. Now we're going to deploy it to the mainnet. So all you guys got to do is click right over here, and this is where you check out, and there is a voucher in order to deploy the mainnet. 1x smart contract deployment. You can either pay in ETH, PayPal, Venmo, or debit or credit card. So for me, I'm just gonna pay it with ETH. So it's gonna ask you right here to switch your network. So boom, right over here, I'm gonna pay with Ethereum. So it's confirming. Make sure you do not close this window. Okay, guys, do not close this window because it is confirming. Great, so for me, it actually took a few seconds, and it should say send right over here. We received your payment, Ethereum transaction hash. It is all set. Click on awesome. So one main detail is that after you guys buy the voucher, it's not deployed yet to the mainnet. Okay, you guys have the voucher. All you guys gotta do now is click right here, deploy to mainnet. Okay, click on that, and then right here on MetaMask is gonna ask you to switch the network, and you basically go through all that. It's gonna confirm the MetaMask transaction to deploy, and all you guys gotta do is pay the gas fee, which I don't have enough at the moment. As you guys can see, insufficient funds, so I can't do it right now, but it's really that simple. You just pay the gas fees and then that's it. You're basically on mainnets. But again, you just got to go through that process. Click right here, Metamask, pay the gas fee, and you're set to go. And also guys, if you have any questions, any trouble while you're making your project here, you can literally just click right here at the bottom right, and it's basically the support page for the Discord, which I'm gonna link in the description below too. You can literally just put here a question and they'll get back to you. It's really that simple. They also have a YouTube channel, which I'll link to, which you guys can see other walkthroughs basically explaining everything here. So that's basically zerocodenft.com, probably the best and easiest place to create your NFT project in a legit way. And if you guys want to use it, use my referral code in the pinned comment in the description below. Thank you in advance. And yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Like, subscribe, put that notification bell for the latest videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.